Okay, so League of Legends is looping on the Reconnect screen. Well, I have the solution for you. As you know, League of Legends relies heavily on DirectX while rendering its graphics. So if there's a problem with your DirectX installation, of if the version of DirectX on your system is not compatible with League of Legends, the game might encounter issues. These problems can prevent the game from rendering correctly, which might cause it to get stuck on the Reconnect screen. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the DirectX installation website, microsoft.com, and find this one, and install and update the latest version. And when you do that, maybe League of Legends could work better and couldn't and wouldn't get stuck in the screen. So you have the next step. If it not didn't work, you have to go to League of Legends here, press here, just in the side of the X button, and then when you are here in general, you have to press the enable low spec mode and press ready or OK. And the last step that you have to do is close League of Legends and then go to the icon of League of Legends, right click, and then press open a file location. And once you're here, you have to go back to Riot Games up here, press League of Legends, and you have to find League Client. So right click, properties, and go to compatibility, press disable full screen optimizations, and then press um, run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 8, accept, and then the problem will be fixed. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, subscribe, like, press the bell, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.